Thought you were an author, well it's just dictation. But why even bother? You're a happy little patient. Oh, oh, oh. Don't wanna wake up, 'cause to wake up is a face up. So you turn against the tide. You wind up where the forces collide. There's a million homes alive. You look down at the California light. This was a good boy.